Alright, so I just got through meeting Johnny Speed, another adventure bike rider on his GS. So we just talked for a while, and now it's getting cold, so I want to try to head back home, set up the other GoPro since everybody else is, all the other cool kids are doing it. So we'll see what this looks like. Yeah, he had a heated suit that I'm very jealous of. I definitely want to do that before next winter. I don't know if this is going to work good. It's like all vibrating. Yeah, that might be too... It might be vibrating too much. We'll see. I mean, it does have the stabilization on, but it's like really vibrating. Probably looks funny too. So I might try to take that off. It's kind of distracting because I keep looking directly at the camera. And it's kind of blocking my view, so this is kind of silly. I want to do the GoPro mount, the mirror mount like Voodoo has. So I did switch to my heated gloves because I know it's going to be a little chillier on the way home, because now it's getting later. I'm going to cut these up. Oh, the weight. Yeah, heated gear, I could ride forever, I feel like. Like heated grips for sure. And that guy's set up, I'll have to find him on Adventure Rider and ask him what he got. Because he said it's like a shirt, like an undershirt that's heated, that plugs into his bike. So I'm thinking like that would be really awesome, because then I might not have to layer up as much. Which I don't mind, like the layers, but I just feel like, I'd rather have more room. And that's one thing I do want to look at, the lighter weight riding gear, like the climb stuff. I know it's like crazy expensive, but it seems like you're paying for the lighter materials, like the Gore-Tex, and not this really thick, bulky gear I have. Because like this jacket's so heavy, like I can't hang it on the back of a chair, it'll fall over. Like the chair will fall over. Yeah, my current riding gear is about 6 years old, and I got seams coming undone and rips, tears. It's time to get some more riding gear. I've just been really trying to lose weight before I splurge that much money on riding gear. I'm looking at the Carlsbad stuff from Climb. Sight unseen, like I haven't worn it or anything, but I just think it might be worth a try. But I have been really happy with this first gear jacket. I've had two of them, an extra large and a large. I bought the extra large, which is this one, first when I first got my KLR back in like 2015. And then once I lost weight, I went down to a large, and then now I'm back up to the extra large. And I would like to blame it on COVID, but it's not really COVID's fault. I've been super lazy the last couple of years. But I am down. I didn't weigh myself this last week, and I kind of cheated on the diet for a whole week. But before that, I was down 15 pounds, 15, almost 20 pounds, which is pretty sad because I still need at least 30 some more pounds to go, maybe 40. So see how that goes. It's really hard to try to diet and work out. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. That's what I love about this area. Just the mountains and scenery. That's hardcore. That's hardcore. He is going up this whole hill. That is super hardcore. Like, that's crazy. I'd have a heart attack like first 2 minutes. But see, if I could do that, I'd be in so much better shape. Yeah, I'm really hoping I can get a lot more mountain biking in when the snow's gone. My ears are popping like crazy. It's just like sometimes you get behind somebody slow on roads like this and you're like, you really want them to be out of your way so you can go faster. And then with all this gravel on the road, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with going super slow. I can blame it on them and not me. So yeah, so the guy I just met, man, he had like a big GS, and he just took it all the way out to the west coast, like Montana and Idaho and places, and that would just be so fun. I mean, with any bike. So yeah, well, eventually I do want to make it out west. See, I wouldn't be opposed to one of those big bikes too. Like that'd be like driving a car. I feel like you'd have like no wind probably. Like that's the kind of bikes that you could pull trailers with. I think that'd be the way to do it, man. Going across country on a bike with a trailer. You could have so much gear. My feet are getting cold now. Need some heated socks. Just need a bubble. Just a bubble around the bike. I just need a windshield and doors, windows, and a heater. There you go. Well, I hope today wasn't too boring. We'll see. Sometimes you see little wet spots in the road when it's this cold. They might not be wet spots, might be frozen. Be a little careful. So I was kind of shocked to see, well, I guess I saw 2 other motorcycles out today, and the cyclist, and that one dude, oh, I can't believe he was going up 43. That's insane, because that's like 2,000 or 3,000 feet elevation change, like really quick. That's crazy. That's hardcore right there. Voila. It was a fun day. Got to get out and ride. It's always a good day riding. Even a bad day is a good day. I want to see how this camera sounds up to 65, 70. That's 60. Up. It's about 65-ish. Oh, it feels good though. A little chilly, but it feels good. You want to see the James? I was wondering if it was up or not with all the snow and the snow melting. I wanted to see how the river was. I have to slow it down now. This is the town of Buchanan. I like to see the river. Hopefully we can do some canoeing and whatchamacallit, tubing. Alright. So, I guess that was pretty much the day. Nothing too crazy. Just getting out. Which is always needed. Always needed to get out and about. Gonna start dropping temperature soon. I never noticed that clock up there. Yeah, you can see my head's getting a little buffeting action going on. See, that's where this windshield does the buffeting up high, and it comes in from the sides like it should have been wider. But the stock windshield was even worse. And then the little shorty, that one doesn't have any of the buffeting, but you're constantly getting air. It's clean air, I guess that's what they call it. It's like not buffeting air, but it's still air. And when it's 30 degrees outside, all air is cold air, if that makes sense. So I'd rather have a little bit of buffeting now, going fast, or you know, fast-ish, than having just constant cold air on me right now. So in the summer, or even as soon as it just gets above 50, I'll probably switch back to the shorty windscreen. But when it's in the 30s, I want all the wind protection I can get. Just so, you know, if it just makes me a little bit warmer, that's worth it to me. But yeah, I'm glad I got to get out today. I needed it so bad. So hopefully people enjoyed watching, enjoyed seeing the snowy parkway. I thought that'd be a little different. I was gonna try to do like another review, or a review, which I still might do. I might do that in the snow, like just from the garage or something, or you know, I don't know. We'll see what happens if it snows. I'm really hoping it doesn't snow, because I don't want to plow the driveway and I want to ride more, because I just love getting out. And I like riding without a, you know, like a set destination. I just like to just, like today I literally chose where I went because of the sky. Because when I was leaving the house, I took a little video from the porch on our deck. Everything was overcast like it is now, but you could see south of here, this ridge line, you could see blue sky on the parkway. And I'm like, alright, well, I was going to go north to another trail. Not a trail. I was going to go north to this little windy back road that has some really cool old abandoned houses and barns on it. But that would have been north where it was overcast. So I changed my mind to go south up to the parkway. Just because of the clouds. I saw blue sky and I'm like, I'm gonna shoot for the blue, you know? So I like having the no destination rides. It just feels more free. Anyway, it's definitely a fun day. Not too cold. My feet are starting to get a little cold now, but not too bad. Not as bad as You know, if I was out all day, like from a camping trip, then I'd be super cold. But I do want to go moto camping again soon. I really want to try it solo because I've never in my life camped solo. And I think that'd be fun and spooky and scary at the same time. And I don't know, I just feel like it's one of those things I've always wanted to do, just never done it. But now I have the gear, and I just gotta get up the nerve to do it. And like, I wanted to go moto camping this weekend, even, you know, in the cold, but I wasn't gonna do it if it's gonna snow again. I don't even know, like, how my tent would work if it snowed. Alright, gonna have to close this now. So almost at the house. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hit that like and subscribe button. And I hope to keep keep making videos for people to see the places I ride, things I do. Alright, thanks for watching. Check you later. Check you later. Check you later. Did not just say that. Oh, but he did. So it's weird saying like see ya and trying to make a close of a video while you're still riding and still recording, because you know you're still recording. So it just feels funny to do that. What's up, peeps? Alright, back to the, I need to fire that snow plowing guy. Oh wait, that's me. Yeah, I don't want it to snow again. This driveway is getting pretty shot. I'm gonna have to get somebody else to come fix it, because apparently whatever I'm doing is not what I'm supposed to be doing. Little slippage. It's a little muddy. Dude, your driveway sucks. And it's full of ice. Yeah, alright, so I'll say it again. Thanks for watching.